Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use Magic Eraser on Canva. Maybe you want to erase a background or a thing in a picture but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you how you can erase an item on your picture using Magic Eraser on Canva. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First you'll need to do is to go and open your Canva application. Once you open your Canva, simply go to that project you want to edit. So to use the magic eraser, simply tap on the photo. And as you can see, an option below. Slide it to the right and you will see this effect button. Simply tap on this effects. And then in here you will see the magic eraser. Simply tap on this magic eraser to use it. So for example, I want to remove these tattoos. So what you'll need to do is to just zoom in the picture and then brush this to tattoos. As you can see, the tattoo is removed. You can also remove this one just by brushing it or highlighting it. After that, if you are satisfied, simply tap on this X button and then it will be automatically saved. There you go! If you wanted to know how to use the magic eraser in Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use the magic eraser on Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.